He had a huge wall up and wouldn't open up at all. Man, you ladies love walls. But over time, as he began to trust me, he let it down a bit by bit. Yo, honest to God, like that's not how guys' dicks work. Attraction does not work like that. You guys think that guys act like women. That's what women do. Guys are not that spiritual. They have to like introspect and search within and feel their energy. Like it's not how it works. Sorry.
like a bowl.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So today we're gonna be reading a Reddit post from Dating Advice. It's a Reddit, fucking Reddit, and we're gonna be giving an advice on this girl who said, "Is my best friend letting me down, or gently telling me that there is hope?" Right. So I'm gonna be reading the question and I'm gonna be giving my take on the question that she gives me. All right. Let's hope it's good. All right. So let's begin this. And people, don't forget, man. I'm going to Amsterdam next in 10 days. No, I'm not. I'm doing a seminar in 15 days, I believe. So go to the link below. I'm going to Berlin, Amsterdam, and London. We're gonna be doing a mastery seminar. All right. Spiritual mastery, practical mastery, and social mastery. So go check it out. All right. So the question goes as follows. So I met a guy at work 9 months ago, and over time we became really good friends. All right. He had a huge wall up and wouldn't open up at all. Man, you ladies love walls. But over time, as he began to trust me, he let it down a bit by bit. Yo, honest to God, like that's not how guys' dicks work. Attraction does not work like that. You guys think that guys act like women. That's what women do. Guys are not that spiritual. They have to like introspect and search within and feel their energy. Like it's not how it works. Sorry. Till I became one of his closest confidants about all things emotional. Oh yeah, that's good. All right, look at you sneaking your way in there, huh? When I met him, he was in a friends with benefits relationship, but he had feelings for the girl. Over time, it blew into a full-fledged relationship. In the meantime, I, being the absolute idiot that I am, and man, at least she admits it. At least she admits it. Developed warm, fuzzy feelings for him. All right, of course, I didn't act on them, but they were very much there. As time passed, we became closer and closer friends. But I moved to a different country, city for work. Oh, so she moved to a different city for work. That's a shame. All right. And most of our conversations were over text, sometimes over a call. A month back, his girlfriend dumped him and he was really heartbroken. Oh, look at you. I bet you were like just rubbing those hands together, huh? He kept trying to get her to accept him back, but she gave him a hard no. Well, let me tell you something, man. That's why he likes her. I knew she was gonna dump him. Honest to God, I knew she was gonna dump him. Girl, man, that girl is why he's not investing in you. He's too blinded by her. I've been there before. Trust me, I've been there. I've really been there. I've been there. So he's blinded by her, right? And you trying to make this work is annoying him. But let's keep watching what she says. He kept talking, okay? He talked to me and I listened to his mind on things. 2 weeks back, he found out she was cheating him all. Oh wow, no surprise. I'm not kidding with you. The fact that you said that he had a friends with benefit that he had feelings for. I knew that how that was gonna end up. I knew. I didn't really think about it, but I had an instinct that that was gonna happen. Um, Well, before all of this happened, I posted an article on my blog about how having a crush on someone. It was an introspective article that was focused on how I felt. No sappy description of the guy or anything. So he chanced across it a week back. Oh, horrible. That means he was looking at your blog perhaps and kept pestering me about who it was. I held back to the very best of my ability, and this went on for 2 days until he finally asked if it was about him. He had his suspicions, I suppose. One second, people. The computer is really slow right now, so I have to read it on my phone. Okay. One second. Is my best friend letting me down or gently telling me there's hope? One second, people. I'm just seeing trying to find the Reddit post of this one. Fuck. All right. Oh, and one thing, he is not your best friend. All right, he is not your best friend. Okay, the fact that you're calling him your best friend, I'm happy you're not one of my clients. Um, he was incredibly taken back. Okay, so he says, so he had a chance, blah blah blah. I said yes. I wouldn't ever have told him at such a low point in his life if he hadn't straight asked me. I would have said no. I would have denied it and taken that shit to the grave. But you don't watch my channel. Um, he was incredibly taken back, and his response was, "This is fucking cringy for me. I don't know what to do exactly." And the reason why is because the women get in these situations when you just don't read signs, or better yet, when you read signs and you choose to neglect them. Um, so he says, "I don't know what to do," followed by a whole lot. Me, really, nigga, me, but we're so different. Anyway, the conversation ended on a fairly normal note, with telling me we'd still be close friends and to not regret having told. Nah, nigga, you better regret that shit, cause, all right. The next day he told me that he was always there for me if I was sad, and it felt really wrong to him when I cried. All right, that's a little surprising. I didn't expect that. We carried on like we used to over the next 2 weeks, text. Okay. I pretended like it was cool with everything, and I didn't want to hinder any progress we were making and to putting this behind us, all this progress. Oh my God, man, I'm telling you, man. We had a really warm, honest conversation where I apologized for him, putting him in an uncomfortable position. I had a terrible time in my life, and he told me that I hadn't made him uncomfortable at all. You weren't creepy at all. He said he felt awful about timing, as in the mindset he was present, he wouldn't be able to treat me the way I deserve. He's easily putting you down. Motherfuckers are not that considerate. All right, like, listen to this. He wouldn't be able to treat me the way I deserve to be treated. That is not the biggest load of shit I've ever heard. What do you mean? Isn't he treating you with respect right now? He's just letting you down easily, man. I'm wondering if this means if he could be interested. No, no. This is over. This is over. This is not gonna work out. And I know a lot of my fans are gonna be like, Alexis, you say the same advice. But what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Tell her to do the fucking monkey double backflips on his dick? Like, that's not gonna happen, right? So you gotta move on. And to prevent this, man, take lukewarmness as a no and move on. Because I notice a lot of my clients get in these situations where they encounter a guy who's lukewarm, clearly showing lukewarm emotion, and yet they still pursue. You know, you cannot be doing this, because then you get stuck in a situation when you end up liking the guy, right? And hey, man, for the guys that I teach, that's a good thing. But for you guys, it's not a good thing, right? Don't pursue a guy who's giving you lukewarm interest. That's how you end up being fucked over. And that's how you end up developing a pattern of continually dating guys who use you by letting this happen. You can't let this happen ever again. You know what I'm saying? You can't let a guy use you like that. I mean, you can't. You know, like it's like you're doing it to yourself by not reading the signs. Like honestly, let me tell you something. Women will not tell me not to pursue them because they're not interested. They won't tell me, but they'll ignore me, but they'll let me pursue them. The reason why I'm not pursuing women that don't like me is not because of them, but because it's my choice. I made a choice not to pursue women who are lukewarm interested. The women are not gonna stop me. They're not gonna stop me. But what I'm saying is though, you have to stop it because they're not gonna stop it. You gotta say no to people who are lukewarm because they won't say no to you. Like they won't say yes though, but they won't say no, and that's a problem. You know, move on from this, man. It's over. You can't. And so this is pretty much how you deal with people who have lukewarm interest, man. Pretty much. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. All right, ladies. So this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the psychological game of attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is I'm giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, and just a few things of why people love each other. You know, it's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the three phases of every relationship. They all go in these three phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that. Specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your nonverbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase, and this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that, creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control his man. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post-honeymoon period, and again, is a short list of videos because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's gonna become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and if you and all you gotta do is just say, all right, where am I? I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos, stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, deterring manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right? And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. All right, see you guys inside.